Hello guys, so today we are going to be playing Minecraft. So guys, today we are going to be playing Hive Bed Wars. But guys, do you know how to play Bed Wars? Guys, I also don't know. So I don't know what am I gonna do. I also don't know how to play Hive Bed Wars. So let's just play now. So where is Bed Wars exactly? Let me find it. Okay. That's Bed Wars. Okay, let's go into Bed Wars now. Okay, how do I click on Bed Wars? Okay. So guys, we are here. Okay guys, first let's change the camera mode to first person. That's gonna be cool. So what do we wanna play? Solo, duos or squads? You know what? Let's just play duos. Like a friend with me. Guys, well, I'm not such a pro at Bed Wars because as you can see, I only have 3 levels. So I'm pretty much a noob. But I'm pretty good at parkour, you know. Yeah. Can I do the whole parkour course back? Like, okay, that was a cool jump. Do I have enough time? Okay, yes, I died. Okay, let me see my stats. Okay, guys, you can see my statistics. Okay. Oh, this is a new map. I've never seen this map. Here's my friend, bro. Bro, how you going, dude? How is it? Okay, he's a good guy. He's not sharing the generator with me. When someone, wow, he just fell down. Bro, seriously, dude, don't do that, bro. Bro, what did that guy just do? Do I seriously have to icy bridge? Oh, that's a closer thing. Okay. Okay, let's icy. Bro, that guy is a pro at bridging. Looks like. He just made it over there. Okay. Bro. Bro, dude. Hey, yo, dude. Bro, that's my dude, bro. He's gonna kill everyone. Bro, I don't have enough blocks. Can I make that jump? Bro is just a pro for far too much of a... Bro, break his bread! No! Bro. Yeah, bro, my guy is cool, bro. He destroyed Green Team's bed. Now I need to protect my bread because that guy is probably gonna come back for me. So, for our bed. So, guys, let's just quickly protect our bed. Bro. Seriously. Bro. Oh, I thought that was a guy. Okay, bro. Bro's a pro. Bro's too good. Let's buy some blocks and guys, let's go to break others' beds. Let's take some diamonds, you know. I need a pickaxe to break others' bed because I just know it that people... That's interesting. Well, I thought my guy was a noob, but he's actually a pro. Bro, let me take that diamond. This time I'm gonna make that jump. Just make it. Yeah. Bro, I'm not even jumping. Okay. I'm the best player at Bed Wars, bro. Bro. Let me take, bro. Do you have something in the end? Just do. Bro, bros. So guys, I think bros put me in a job to fight other people and he's gonna just chill. He's just gonna chill. So guys, now let's finally complete the bridge to the diamond gen because guys, it's becoming really irritating. Because I'm falling down again and again. Oh, there's a lot of diamonds over there. Oh, I got so many diamonds. Let's get back to the base safely before I die. Let's just spam click full on this bed defense. Okay, that's the ugliest bed defense in the world ever. Bro, what you doing, dude? Bro, he's making the bridge fatter, dude. Bro, dude is a pro. He's a pro master. Dude is so good. He's too good. Dude's too good. Let's get some blocks. Cause, bro, you. Okay, thanks. Let's get some blocks. Okay, let's keep the diamonds in the ender chest because, bro, don't take the diamonds, dude. You're really gonna suck for that. Okay, dude's just building. Dude's just building. Okay, why is that block over there? For what is that block over there? Let's build a bridge, guys. I'm so noob at bridging. Bro's just too good. He's just too good. Emeralds anywhere? Oh my god, 6 emeralds. Bro, we are gonna get overpowered. 12. Bro is just getting so many emeralds. Dude, we are stacked. Bro, I don't want anyone to steal my emeralds. Guys, I think I should go to the base back. Otherwise, someone's gonna just kill us. Let's go to Big Bass. Otherwise, someone's gonna kill us and steal all our emeralds. I need to go. I need to run. Diamonds plus. This is great. We are so stacked. Who's coming with me? Okay. So, bro, don't steal anything from the ender chest. Guys, we are getting overpowered. Are we gonna have enough diamonds to make diamond armor already? Bro. Diamonds. Bro, let's go to other. Bro, let me see what's going on at their gen. Is there something at their gen? Oh, there's a lot of stuff. Kinda. That's cool. Let's buy some safety equipment. No, let's don't. I can't fall. I have so much stuff. Well, it would be smart to keep all this in an ender chest. But you know, guys, we are just so dumb, you know. Bro, why are you building such a fat base so that people can just come and just kill us? Bro, he's put a team upgrade. Bro, he's put 2 team upgrades. Bro, here we got regeneration and faster respawn. Bro, this guy is just too good for some reason. Bro, he's building a wall. Bro's just too pro. Bro, why are you building? Okay. Oh, no. Let's get those diamonds. Let's get any emeralds if there are any, obviously. Bro, I got the diamonds. Bro, I have so many diamonds. I have 20, like around a lot. What happens? We're gonna buy iron armor next. Guys, we are just such a pro, guys. We are undefeatable. Me and my teammate are just undefeatable. We just can't die. We are so stacked. We just can't die. Bro, my teammate is the best. Guys, we are gonna win. Dude. Bro, no. He's gonna kill me. No. He took so much stuff. Stack now. Bro, I just made those guys stacked. Like, too overpowered. There is no way that I just did that. Bro, there is no way. Bro. Yes, he just fell off. And that's the guy who killed me, so he lost all his emeralds. That's good. Wait, give me some blocks. Bro, is there stuff in here? Okay, that's a sword. That's cool. I need 28 gold. Quick. Bro, why are you building a factor? Like, why do you need to do that? Let's take some emeralds. Bro, we are stacked. Emeralds 2. Okay, I just need 4. 2. I hope no one kills me. Okay, that's not emeralds. No. Okay, he's coming. He's coming. He knows I have emeralds. He knows I have emeralds. He knows I have emeralds. I need to keep all of this stuff in the ender chest. Quick. Dude, you are just building. Bro. Bro, he didn't come to our base. Bro, just cool. Bro, just cool. Bro, we have a maxed out gen. Bro's just collecting emeralds. Bro, but you don't know. We are more overpowered than you. That's one emerald. Okay. What the fuck? He has full diamond armor and we are just dead now. Bro, get yourself some. Okay, why are they not coming to my base? Why they don't want to fight with me? Bro, they're scared. They're scared, dude. They're scared. Bro, they're scared. Let's just get overpowered because we are getting stacked. Bro. Guys, we having so many diamonds. We're just stacked. I think we are enough for diamond armor. Full diamond armor. Like, seriously. This should be diamonds at the diamond gen. Bro, guys, no, build a bay. Bro, whoa. Guys, I think we're winning this. I think we're winning this. Some teams are left. Let's go out to kill them. Let's buy full diamond and everything possible. Diamond armor. Diamond sword. I can't buy diamond sword. Let's buy a bunch of blocks. Let's buy that. Ender pearl. This. More blocks. I can't buy more blocks. Golden apples. Gapples. Let's buy a bow. Let's buy arrows. We're getting so stacked, guys. We're just getting too stacked. But we don't have a good sword. That's the problem. Guys, let's go to get a good sword. Well, I am pretty stacked, but I don't have a good sword. I just need quite a bit of emeralds. 4 and that's gonna be enough, I think. Wait, I just need little bit more emeralds and that should be enough. Team upgrade. Starting sword. Well, it's gonna be a wood sword. That's sad. But now, guys, we can get a diamond pickaxe and everything. Like, if even anyone has any defense like obsidian, we can just... Bro, why don't you have any armor, bro? Why you are so... Bro, just get some armor, dude. Bro. Guys, we are too overpowered. I can buy a bridge placer, 32 blocks. Guys, we are overpowered, I think. We are just too overpowered. We can't die. Bros. Guys, we can't die. I need iron. Severely. Give me iron. Now everyone's dead, dude. They're dead. I just need some blocks and all of them are dead. Guys, let's go. Let's pearl over to... We need to go to blue space. So let's pearl over there. Or... Now everyone's dead. Bro, you fucked off. I fucked off. Bro, no. 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 Bro, you are dead, dude. Bro, why can't I run? Sprint. I don't have a fucking sword. Bro just waited. I need a better sword, quick. 8 emeralds, that's equal to better sword, and grey team's left. So we need to just kill them. Okay, that's a bunch of diamonds. We got that. Is there anything in the ender chest? Okay, nothing in the ender chest. Now we can buy a bunch of things. Guys, let's get stacked again. I don't have diamonds. I can buy a bow. Can I buy a pickaxe, a sword? I can buy some blocks. Guy, this. What can I buy with diamonds? I need pearls. Let's get some pearls, dude. Guys, let's get some pearls. Otherwise, we are not stacked, dude. Who is stacked without pearls, dude? Let's get every diamond, every emerald in the world. Bro, instant death is about to come because we are at 10 minutes. So that's cool. Grey team's gone. Wait. Where the hell is grey team? If grey team, this is our bridge. So grey team's gone. So is this grey team? So grey team's dead now. Where am I taking my apple? Okay, that's pretty stacked. Let me get some blocks. Blocks over here. Let me get my gappers down. Pickaxe. Bow. Let's get some more blocks. No, not that. Sudden death. So, enemy near island. No. Okay, so now everyone's dead. Because pros come. And that's me, the pro. This is my team. No, this is not my team. This is yellow. Okay, so... Bro, no enemy is killing us. Yes, yo! We won! I basically did nothing. My teammate won. Where's my guy? Bro, this was so good. Let's play a game of solos. Oh, that's a guy who plays solos. I'm such a pro at parkour, guys. That guy's winning the race. Bro, you can't win the race. He already won the race. He's going back. Dude! Okay. It's a game of solo bed wars. I'm pretty bad at solos. So, we'll see how it goes. I'm so bad at solos, actually. I'm super bad. Is there a piece of iron over there? Okay, let's buy blocks. That was a bad blocking. Wait. Bro, bro's already building. Bro, build a bridge. He's going back. I know what he's doing. I know his plan. What the heck? That guy just rushed me. Oh my god, how did I make that jump? Guy's dead. Okay, that guy's dead. How do I upgrade the gen? Okay. I need to get full. I'm basically dead. If I fall stupidly, I'm dead. Full chain armor. Let's buy chainmail. Let's buy a couple blocks. I can't do that. Okay. Let's go and take some diamonds because I need to upgrade to an iron sword quick. That's not enough. So let's just icy bridge over there. Okay, we are almost there. Okay, that's grey team. They're dead. Grey team's dead. Alright, that's grey team. Let's buy an iron sword if we have time. Okay, this is great. I don't have a pickaxe. What if he sees me? Bro, you dead. Okay, that guy was stacked. Dude. I could have bought a diamond sword. I'm so dumb. And bros, Jen got some of this. So guys, let's go. Guys, I know. I just told you I'm the proest at Bed Wars. I'm the proest. I didn't take out my pearl. Wait, that's the most useful thing. Let's pearl over to Blue's base. No! Okay, I thought pearls work in the void. If that would have been true, I would have been a dead man, guys. Okay, let's get some of the pearls now. And let's get a diamond sword. Because, you know, we should not be that dumb. Obviously. And we can also get iron armor on the way and a bow. Okay. Oh, that gen doesn't work now. Oh, I'm sad. Let's get a diamond sword. Diamond sword. Pearls. Let's go back to our gen. The pearl. The pearl. Okay, can we buy a pickaxe? Okay, now we're stacked. But we don't have iron armor. So we are kinda not stacked. So let's get iron armor first. Because I know those bloody people already have iron armor. So I know I'm gonna die. I am blue team. My bed is destroyed. Where is my bed? I forgot. My bed is over. Where? Bro, where is my bed? Okay, this is my bed. This is the wool that I was using. This is the wool that I got. I have so many diamonds. I can almost buy. Do I have 4 emeralds? Okay. Bro. Bro. No! Okay, guys. So let's end this because I don't want to play anymore. I just died to that stupid little guy. Bro. Let's just end this quick because I'm not able to. Okay. Bye, guys. I hope you like it. I don't know why am I in a game. Bye, guys.